sikano a yellow na omoje into see a pa yanko how do you call it a parliament and ameboa yanko parliament na ho ene yiwo but ene Mr. Mahama ene ne nkrofo etumi ba be catch say Akufo Addo this kind of the aye na ne wura free say every month be Akufo Addo say 7 billion Ghana cedis on NAPCO alone every month. NAPCO for no more my 700 and ameboa 700 minim say na saying e kan kakra ka ekira na aban dem oka but yen fanto ya NAPCO for almost 5 years now. And every month biya no, okay? Every month biya no, we pay them total just NAPCO keke. School fee de no one buy. Make NAPCO keke. NAPCO nkwano or my Ghana it we are 7 billion Ghana cedis every month. Because you can see about 100,000. 100,000. You see about almost 700 a month. 700 a month in the year mass and a 7 billion Ghana cedis every month. There are 12 months in a year. We have done it for 5 years to 6 years now. Into the year, 5 times 7, Debbie, 5, 7 billion. So 60 months. Let's say it's a 60 months. Just take 60 months, okay. Now the fact times 7 billion. Na catch them says can Akufo Addo ye den kura no nya says can the tuan crofo no. And no your side you. Your friend crofo be so nurses and teachers training allowance. Na omo 7 na ye me ya because omo ye 3 more than 4. Omo ni Akufo Addo endi ni ye. A nurse for any Akufo Addo endi ni ye because musika na mudisua ade. Sister, musika na mudisua ade no. Papa bi beje ka kire o say obetwam na se no kurenti and obe lose election on lose election meboa wanka and otwa sa allowance ni mu ade a na ebua sebe yen hiafo yi aye no de ye papa yi ene ye maame no mu ni bi kakra yeso ye betumi de atotototo ye pons ne ye pad ne ye ne amane aman kakra no na aban bi aba se ogie afiri nsem ogie no wie ya afekura de ye say sa they are now going to do a loan system. Now, mention the India, your papa Mahama, and I buy. Omu chooses omu trade the BM in the loan system. No, number one, loan you have to qualify for loan. On to now, I have loan keke. Kufon kwano to me magic here. Utifie na bank actually say but this kako business. But loan is something you qualify for. We a student. Bear in mind, you are a student. Sikano kura udi pia fees no nibi. Uni record e chire say o credit. Na ya catch ro say kona kwede kona kwaji loan na fako school osi wetwam oye no loan system na sa time no hwawre hu sem e wo mu wo ye babu no afei na wo ko school wie kura na maka say wo ye adwuma na ye rate your policy rate at the banking honorable it was 33 32 the lowest you get was 27%. Na wo ye student ya na so ko je 1000 Ghana na say 1000 Ghana na ye catch so be 27% of 1000 Ghana na 270 Ghana out of the 1000 Ghana now. How are you going to survive? Usika na kai. Usika na nka wode kobo bra na kai. NAPCO we are make on masemi no. Enye se no muni ho. Omo koye papa. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ho. E ma ne ka kire omo se sebe Ghana fo mu duebo. Na me meti we menye magician. Menye nkonya, menye David Copperfield. Na me disika ahye mubotom. And no saying DD more graduate na temu say mo amuko KNUST. Mo amuko KNUST. The patch student loan there's interest on it. Mahama student loan and all the banner there's interest on it but to boss. Let me stick to what I'm doing and then try to finish it. When you have a trend going on, now ubia go through the same trend. Ubetumia, pause kakra, gauge, now let me tell you something. NAPCO trainees were insulted, say, KNUST, University of Cape Coast, University of Legon, your graduate here, you're training. Your papa Akufo tries to obey ambulance commission, Idrigui. Ya no mobile any say, ya kokra ambulance, ya den, abre Ghana for, na Ghana for to you. Ambulance nanka ube use no, na ubia to me confess ke picture DSA. Edi akoto Toyota Haze ni Toyota Haze near Hyundai Grace. Say no, and a year sebe ambulance. And also cramo by I went to me a man operation and maniko go Bema camp. Last night my cousin gonna move to me Sakas no. Mumsi na mufama various departments no. No move because a basica. A big go say a proper. So what you say go also na essay. Even those NDC for Oma Fumetra, but yes, we are yes, we are Fumon says, Omo Marco Yentiama Mogana, a Ghana Sika.
What court to be more dancer because we're more prosecuted.
On charges a court case, New York.
Court to ma or dancer and some bit in Domonzaka.
And it's a court we are.
Yes, bit. Don't know Saka pet. Want to be prosecuted him.
Okay, so that's why it's there on
yeah. Yeah.
Okay, if that is the case, that is fine. But Mama, let's learn. And then Mama use you and the Kakredua. Okay, now I know political zone. I promise you guys I can make live video in Ghana, but I got to do it because and the joy for every chatro. Now me beti omoto. Now me ti omoto me say me psyche wadwene na hu ne say MPP ni NDC ko. Dia obere no eye yenya aye to aba no. Ena wuyi MP a MP ni na adwuma Ghana de ne de ye say onko hye mmra ntine e friend mmra hye bedwam. Ena ye system of government in Ghana no so no yesterday your executive, legislature, judiciary. Now, if the way are MP for no, dying. The president, he has executive powers, but anything that has to do with passing of loan, he has no power. It has to go through Parliament because Parliament, and a Ghana phone in represented. The NDC ni, the MPP ni, the own joint party, the own BBR. And you see, and it's so ironic, say, we worship them. We rather worship them. What to about my MP because Osemo area on cheap company and penny ho. Into expect sanka health ministry for able to make the empower. President per se or the president has an agenda say we pursue see hospitals. But sika odibesi no so one found call parliament. This is we have to talk after we here. Say but say yan found call parliament ya. Akufo Addo ontumi for no ani to me enkoye. Na mama mema mo example. De bia me ka say ye be kira de. Na etoda na ya na ye bufu na me de fire no. There is no way. Say Akufo Addo ono ankasa kura ne budget. Or better say me president sika me pese me di there bi. Na tade a wo hye. Na duane a wodie. Ne mpabo obehye. Ye de ko parliament ko approve NDC for MPP for ni na agitum say yo yemfa say ska we mana sana president enyeska. Na omo no ya no mo wire fi. Ya papa Mahama ebra no wo bobosia his excellency Mahama o bobosia e ko kan ye no. O se na mo ma bobo bodam ana. Sikani yaje de ye monko parliament. If you want to know what we have done with the money, go to parliament. And na de NDC for say yenko parliament yo. Eduru yan ye bisa o mo say sikana amanya no mo de aye den no. O mo ka